Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor horizontal flickering lines. So here's a fix for your refresh rate, cable and GPU. Fix 1. Check the display cable. Turn off your monitor and computer. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Make sure the cable is securely plugged in. If possible, try a different cable or another port on the monitor. Fix 2. Restart the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn the monitor on. Fix 3. Set the correct refresh rate. Right click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Go to Advanced Display. Select your MSI monitor. Choose the recommended refresh rate and resolution. Fix 4. Update your graphics driver. Download and install the latest graphics driver for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card. Then restart your computer. Fix 5. Turn off adaptive sync. Open the monitor's OSD menu, go to Gaming, turn adaptive sync or FreeSync off. Check if the flickering stops. Fix 6. Reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu, go to Settings, select Factory Reset or Reset, confirm the reset. Fix 7. Test the monitor with another device. If the lines disappear, the issue is likely with your original computer, graphics card, or drivers. If the lines remain, the monitor may have a hardware problem. Fix 8. Check for physical damage. Inspect the monitor for signs of impact, pressure damage, or liquid exposure. Physical damage can cause permanent horizontal lines that cannot be fixed through settings. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.